Alright guys, so tonight we're putting the zl1 spoiler on Beatrice. Dylan's buffing this car. We painted this car 2 years ago and it just came back for its buff and wet sand. They needed the car, so we shot it and it sent it. We just painted the Trans Am spoiler and trunk lid, put that on it, and it looks pretty dope. Now we're buffing the whole car, and then we got the anniversary edition Trans Am graphics to put on it. But I'll show you what we got going on. So we took the stock SS spoiler off it. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts that hold it on, and one little push clip. You have to fight pretty hard to get that push clip off, so don't be afraid to pull on it. Just be careful you don't scratch the crap out of your car. Clean the surface. Right here, it kind of took the paint with it. We're just going to touch it up with some black paint. We got the zl1 spoiler painted and everything. We're going to put it on. So Dylan's running the wire down through here. We got the zl1 spoiler on. The zl1 spoilers is this hole, and that hole. You're going to have 2 extra ones in here. We just put push clips in there. I don't know if you can see them. With some sealer. We'll clean it up after. Yeah, matte black. That looks nice. I love the zl1 spoiler because it comes all the way to the edge and doesn't end with the trunk and look goofy. We're going to tap into the third brake light down there. We'll put the trunk liner back on as soon as Dylan's done with that, and we'll be shibby. Here you go, guys. Car's dirty, don't mind that. Got the matte black zl1 spoiler on there. Looks good. You can see the push clips a little bit underneath it, which I mean I don't really like, but it is what it is. Yeah. Damn. I like that though. It changes the whole look of the ass of this car. I love her. And Dylan's been a buffing machine in here cleaning all this. Buffing it. Still gotta do this. We got that hood fucking looking like glass dough. Just got to do a polish coat. Same with the roof. We'll do that after. Get all that polished in. It's going to be dope.